Nararamdaman mo ba na kung minsan parang na-stuck ka na sa negative situation mo? Hi, Maylene Catalasan here, and for the past 6 years, we have helped thousands of value clients, business owners, and sales professionals to double their sales and grow their business in 3 months or less. And today, I will be sharing with you 3 steps kung ano yung pwede mong magawa once naramdaman mo na na-stuck ka na sa negative situation. First step, you have to identify the root cause. Bakit ito mahalaga? For example, meron kang gagamutin na sakit. Naniniwala ka ba na kung ang sintomas lang ang gagamutin mo, uulit at uulit pa rin ang sakit, right? Babalik at babalik ito. Similarly dun sa negative situation mo. Kung hindi mo ma-identify kung ano yung pinanggalingan at kung bakit ka nandyan sa ganyang sitwasyon, paulit-ulit pa rin ang magiging resulta mo. Babalik at babalik ka pa rin sa negative situation mo. So it's very important na ma-identify mo yung root cause ng negative situation mo. And once ma-identify mo na yung root cause, yung second step, crucial din. Let me emphasize this one. Never. What's the word? Never. Never ever dwell on the root cause, but instead find solution. Bakit hindi ka pwedeng mag-dwell sa root cause? Kasi ang tendency, sisisihin mo yung root cause kung bakit ka nandyan sa sitwasyon na yan. So, iba na yung magiging focus mo. And once sinisi mo na ng sinisi yung root cause, magkakaroon ka pa ng victim mentality or mindset. Kaya mahihirapan kang mag-move forward sa buhay. So, never ever dwell on the root cause, but instead find solution. And once meron ka ng makitang solusyon, yung third step, sobrang importante din. Kasi kahit magawa mo na yung first and second steps, kung hindi ka naman mag-take ng action, wala ding mangyayari. Hindi rin magbabago yung takbo ng buhay mo at magiging paulit-ulit-ulit yung cycle na meron ka. So, take action. Maliit man yung action na yan or malaki, it doesn't matter. What matters most is you have to take one step forward. And who knows, yung one step na yun yung mag-lead sa'yo into bigger solutions and ma-secure talaga yung negative situation mo for long. So I hope this video can help you, and if you believe you know someone else na nangangailangan din ng video ito, please do share this so together we can help them. Thank you and God bless.